happy Tuesday. As you can tell from the title of the video, today I'm going to be making custom press-ons. So let's get right into it. These are the nails I'm going to be using today. They are long coffin full coverage tips and I got them from Amazon. Of course, I will link that below for you. I got these mounts from Amazon as well, and I got the putty from Target. After I pick out the sizes, I buff the nails. I'm gonna use gel on these, so after I've buffed them and dusted them off, I'm going to apply a thin layer of base coat. This set's gonna be gray, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply the first layer and cure for 30 seconds. I just put navy blue on my nails, and I want to know, what are your go-to colors for the winter? I like to do red right around Christmas time, but I tend to stick to burgundy, navy blue, and gray. I just added this pretty glitter to the index finger and the ring finger. Now it's time for the second coat of color, and then I cure again. Now I'm going to apply a glossy top coat to all of them except the middle finger. I'm going to add a matte top coat to the middle finger. I go ahead and get my alcohol pad ready because as soon as they're done curing, I wipe them down to remove the tacky layer. If you're going to package them, you have so many options. There is so much packaging out there, but the most affordable one would be the resealable bags. There are also boxes, so you can shop around and see which one you like best. You can add anything you want to your packaging, but it would be very helpful to include what's needed to apply the press-ons. So a alcohol wipe to prep the nails, a nail buffer and file, cuticle pusher, and nail glue are essential. You can add them to the bag or you can add them to the box. Once again, all the products will be linked for you in the description box, and let me know if you like these types of videos. Christmas, just like the one that
used to know.